Sound Insulation in Buildings by N.Karthikeyan, AP/Civil/SNSCT. General discussion on effects of sound. High noise conditions result in uncomfortable living conditions, fatigue, inefficiency and mental strain, temporary deafness or nervous breakdown. Soundproofing is absolutely essential in case of film studios, etc. The insulation of noises is important for office buildings. Types of noise: outdoor noises, indoor noises, airborne noises, structure-borne noises. Transmission of noise through air, structural members by the vibration of structural members. Noise control and sound insulation divided in the following heads. General consideration: the first way of insulating against airborne noise is to isolate it as source. Airtight rooms for machinery. The residential building should be located away from the noise surroundings. Units of a building should be properly planned. The provision of furnishing material and lining of walls and ceilings by means of air-filled materials. Noise by vibrations can be prevented by making the walls, floors, partitions very rigid and massive or heavy. Impact sound to some extent is possible by either providing resilient materials. Structure-borne noise prevented by introducing discontinuities in the path of vibrating waves and by using sound-absorbing materials. The personal protective devices, such as earplugs, headphones, etc., can be used to reduce the noise to the extent of 20 to 30 decibels. Constructional measures of noise control and sound insulation: walls and partitions, floors and ceilings, windows and doors, insulating sanitary fillings, machine mounting or installations of machinery. Practical hints: windows of bed or living rooms face a main traffic route or a railway line. They should not be situated less than 30 to 45 meters from its near edge. The increase in transmission loss or sound reduction of a solid massive construction is slow in proportion to the increase in its thickness. If the material used is of porous and flexible nature, like hair felt, its sound reduction is proportional to its thickness. In double wall or cavity wall construction, an airspace is generally better than a filling material. A cavity wall with two leaves having thickness of 10 cm each, has 80% increase in insulation value as compared to a single brick solid wall of 20 cm thickness without any increase in weight but with a little increase in cost. Smaller and solid glass panes have better insulation property as compared to larger and thicker flexible glass panes. Double glazing of glass windows improves insulation. Sealed double windows or triple windows can be successfully used where soundproofing is desired. A steel plate door is more efficient than a double wall, hollow cold storage type door.